Alright guys, last video we discussed who moved the market. Obviously, big boys move the market from one place to another place. Alright, big boy moves market one place to another place. Why they move the market from here to here? Because of economic, because of fundamental event. Alright. So in this video, we will discuss what is our rule and when to get in the market before reach that level. Let's say because of fundamental news or event, the market will move from here to here. Now, question is here, what is our rule here and when we will enter in this market? All right, so in this video, we are going to discuss when to enter and when to exit. So means what is our rule in this market. All right. All right, guys, there are three ways. So I personally use to enter in this market. Let's say market start running from here to this level. So in between this journey, I'll enter by using three methods. Okay, this is first called demand and supply area. So when market is running in the upper side, so we identify the demand zone, and when market is running in a downside, we use supply zone. Okay, and another called breakout of structure, and the third anti-rule called breach. All right, so let me explain step by step. So first, let's say demand and supply zone. So let's say market here, all right, market is running like that, and suddenly market sharp move up. All right, so when market is sharp move up, that means big boys already enter in this market. All right, so why? Because this type of move only can do by the big boys. Normal trader cannot move like that. All right. So what is the big problem with the big boys? As we discussed earlier, that they have a liquidity issue. All right. So in that case, what exactly they are doing? They're just waiting for a pullback. So let's say current price is somewhere here, is 100. All right. This is the 100. And market, once they use or buy or whatever you say, market shoot up to 150. All right, 150. So 150 is over both zone. All right, so they need a discount. So where will be discount? Discount will be near demand zone. Where is the demand zone? Demand zone means from where market move exactly. All right, from where? So now you can see price move from this area. All right, from this area. So this area called demand zone. Okay, so once price pull back like that, so basically I'm looking for buy in this area. Is a probability to move up from this area. Okay, so this area called demand zone. Okay, so supply zone means it's opposite. Okay, and let's understand next entry point. Okay, that is called breakout of structure. Let's say price goes up, pull back, again goes up. All right, so that means price break this previous higher point. Have you seen this? Price break this previous higher point. Okay, so market was running like that, and then suddenly shoot up, and again price pull back near demand zone. Okay, and the price goes up. So let's say we miss that opportunity, or if we enter here, we booked our profit somewhere there. All right, so next my entry point will be when price will pull back I'll see some opportunity in this area because the price break this structure and I'll enter here and it is a probability to go up. Okay, so this is the second rule. And the third rule is called breach. Sometimes what happens, so price goes a little bit here, shoot up, pull back, again shoot up, but now you can see price not able to pull back near breakout of structure. That was breakout of structure. And another here you can see this is called demand zone. All right, now you can see price not able to pull back near breakout of structure nor demand zone. So in that case here you can see price are holding, and once price break this breach, so that is my entry point. Okay, that is my entry point. So that means there are three ways where exactly I enter. Okay, let's see some example in our live chart. So here I can see I'm using Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. So here I can see price sharp move up from this area. So in that case you can see we must find out our demand zone. So where is our demand zone? Demand zone means from where price move. All right, so now you can see I draw a demand zone, and after that here you can see price pull back, and near this demand zone and break this area and price goes up. Have you seen? Okay, now you can see another example here. So you can see here this is the breakout of structure. All right, this is the breakout of structure. Have you seen? And another here price move, and this is called another demand zone. So in that case here you can see price goes up, price not able to pull back near breakout of structure nor demand zone. So in that case, so here you can see descent holding. All right, so it's a descent holding. So finally price break this holding area, so descent hold, and that is our entry point. So suppose if you miss that opportunity, next here you can see another example. So this is the breakout of structure, and here this is the demand zone. Okay, so here you can see, let me remove this one. Okay, price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back near breakout of structure. So in that case, all right, they form a pin bar and the perfect entry point here, and after that you can see price goes up from this area. Okay, another example here in a downside, price drop drastically and the pullback, again price pull back. Now you can see this is called demand zone. Where is the demand zone? From where price drop? From this area, you can see. All right, so after that price pull back near demand zone, somewhere rejection, that is our entry point, and price drop from this area. You see? So exactly another here you can see another position that is also near demand zone. Okay, so price hit this demand zone, again price drop. Okay, so another example here, let me show you. Okay, price drop, pull back, price drop, and price near breakout of structure. Here you can see this is a breakout of structure, price pull back near breakout of structure, and a rejection and entry point, price drop from this area. So that means this is our entry point perfectly. Okay, so in that case here you can see this is also demand zone, price drop from this area, the rejection, that is our entry point. So as I said that there are three ways to enter. So we have seen all three entry points are forming. Okay.